There we go. I was waiting on my sandbox to load, so it's coming up. They're talking about number 5 again, hoping that they've already done what we've got to do. Now we've got to deal with this market model.py file. All right, so this one, I get frustrated at times when we get hit with things like this. But essentially, what we just did in the previous exercise of 8.5, where we wrote all this, now they're saying, you know what? Just ignore that. Better yet, let's get rid of that. And we're going to return the cashier for the next customer based on the shortest line. Customers no more than 2 lines away. We're going to pick a random index and create a sublist for allowable cashiers. All right. So with that said, let's put a comment that, and I'm just going to wipe everything there out. You don't necessarily need the comment in there, but let's get us where we need to be. Okay. So start out, first things first. They use the word random index. All right, so random index. And it's coming from the random class. I want a random integer from 0 to the len of self.cashiers. Well, no, it's not the len. It's the len minus 1, right? So that'll randomly pick an index of the cashiers. Let's just go do our condition. If type this a few times, so if random index is equivalent to 0, what happens? Let's say short list equals self dot cashiers minus 3. So I want the last 3. Now if random index equivalent to len self dot cashiers minus 1. I want to I don't want to copy yet. I don't want to copy yet. You know what? I'm going to do this first one as the front 3, and the second one the back 3. And I'm going to take this and I want to replicate all of it. I'm going to say elif random index is 1. Then I'm going to do the first 4. And minus 2. The last 4. Like that. I don't like that this IDE is hanging up on me. There we go. Ah. There we go. So what do we got left? We've got an else. And copy this. We'll use some of it. And we'll say on the front, random index minus 2 and random index plus 3. So that went through and did our randomized groupings of cashiers. And let's come down and we need mid index equals 0. Oh, mid index equals 0. Mid length is 0. 4 index in the range of the length of the short list. So go through this short list. If short list index 1 by 1 dot get line length less than or equal to midline length I want min index equals index midline length equals short list index dot get line length. I hadn't seen it before. That made me nervous. Now we need to have indentation equal to the 4 for our return. We want short list index. And go through and plug in some values. Work app, run it. It says it has a problem on line 61. Yep, it sure does, because that opening brace that should have gone there. Come back. Let's see, it's a total running time 30, 3, 1, and 4. And then it had a problem it says random is not defined, so I've got to be explicit up here. Import random. Go back again. Get 30, 3, 1, and 4, the numbers they gave us there on the left. It says we've got a problem on line 70. Our index is out of range on line 70. So let's go through and look at what we've got one more time. Let's see if I've got an indentation issue or what I've got. Look good there. Look good there. Cashiers from 3, -1, -3. It's equivalent to 1. 4 on front. No. Right there. 4 should be on the back. And the 3 should be on the back. Alright. Last 3. Okay. Let's go back and try it again. As we go through it, it's telling us in a roundabout way where the issues may be. It ran that time. Let's see where we stand. All good. All right. So that got us through 8.6. I should see you at 8.7 when I see you.